Today we're diving deep into the future of web development, where the web has been, where it's going, and what developers need to succeed in this fast-moving world. Let's start by looking at the evolution of the web. The web has come a long way since the early days. Back in the 90s, websites were mostly static, just plain HTML, maybe some blinking text or pixelated images if you were lucky. Then came the dot-com boom, where companies rushed to establish an online presence. In the 2000s, we saw the rise of dynamic websites, think PHP, MySQL, and server-side scripting making websites interactive. By the 2010s, everything shifted to mobile first. Suddenly, your website wasn't just viewed on a desktop, it had to work seamlessly on smartphones and tablets. We're entering a new chapter, Web 3.0. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a shift toward decentralization, blockchain integration, and even the metaverse. Websites are no longer just informational, they're evolving into immersive, interactive, decentralized experiences. As developers, we need to understand how these shifts change the way we build and think about the web. AI's impact on development. Next, let's talk about a game changer. AI's impact on development. AI is showing up everywhere, from the tools we use to the way we write code. Take GitHub Copilot, for example. It can auto-complete whole blocks of code, generate functions, and even suggest solutions as you type. That means less time debugging simple syntax errors and more time focusing on complex problems. In testing and QA, AI is automating repetitive tasks like writing test cases or scanning for vulnerabilities. Tools like Figma and Adobe XD are introducing AI-powered features that can generate design suggestions, clean up layouts, and even auto-convert designs into code. In short, AI is no longer optional, it's becoming an essential co-pilot in every stage of the development process. Essential web development skills. So what skills should you be focusing on? Let's break down the essential web development skills you need to stay competitive. First, the foundations. You need a solid grasp of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are still the backbone of the web. Even with frameworks and libraries, these languages give you the control and flexibility to troubleshoot and customize your work. Next, on the front end, you'll want to master at least one popular framework like React, Angular, or Vue.js. These tools help you build interactive, dynamic user interfaces that users expect from modern web apps. Each has its strengths. React is great for component-based architecture, Angular offers a full ecosystem, and Vue is lightweight and easy to learn. Then, there's the back end. It's crucial to understand how servers handle requests, manage databases, and send information to the front end. Back-end knowledge also helps you work with APIs, authentication, and deployment. And beyond coding, don't forget version control with Git, understanding web security basics, and getting familiar with DevOps tools for deployment. Emerging trends in web development. Now let's talk about the exciting emerging trends shaping the future. First up, the metaverse. It's not just hype, developers are already building virtual environments, 3D worlds, and immersive experiences directly on the web. WebXR and 3.js are opening doors to creating VR and AR right in the browser. Then there's WebAssembly, a technology that lets you run high-performance code in the browser, written in languages like C, C++, or Rust. Imagine running complex image editing, games, or simulations right on a website without downloading apps. That's what WebAssembly enables. And we can't ignore progressive web apps, or PWAs. PWAs offer the feel of a native mobile app, offline access, push notifications, home screen installation, without needing App Store downloads. They're bridging the gap between web and mobile, giving users faster, more reliable experiences. These trends aren't just cool, they're redefining user expectations, and developers who learn them will have a huge edge. The future of web development. Here's the big takeaway. Adaptability and continuous learning are the keys to success. The web doesn't stand still. New frameworks, languages, and tools pop up every year. Being a great developer isn't just about mastering one stack. It's about being curious, open to change, and willing to experiment with new technologies. As we look ahead, the opportunities are endless. Whether it's building for the metaverse, creating AI-driven applications, or exploring decentralized web systems, the web is full of possibilities for innovation and creativity. The future of web development isn't just about writing code, it's about shaping how people interact, communicate, and experience the digital world. So stay hungry, stay curious, and most importantly, keep building. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.